Guys ready? What's up, YouTube? What is going on? Hope you guys having another blessed day. So yes, finally, I pulled the trigger, and I'm about to try my best to explain and vlog everything that what I'm about to do with the air suspension installation. I be honest with you, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have an idea here and there. Alright, so far I have the 2 air compressor harness running through the left side. They showed me the diagram to run it on the right side, but I might as well run it on one side. That way I don't have to go through, take out trims and all that. So I just ran it on one side, on the driver's side. So here you guys go, have an idea how it looks and all. This is the main, basically the main harness, and then this is the second compressor harness. So ran through right here, behind this, go through there, boom boom boom, and through here. Then take out the carpet, the trims right there, under the carpet, boom. Took out this bolt, you know, to have more space, more, you know, more flexibility. And ran through here, on the side, on the front, right there, boom boom. And then I'm assuming this line right here, the red and black, and then this pink, I'm assuming it's the ground. So that goes through the front to the battery. And then this is the second compressor harness lines. So positive and negative. Always make sure to, you know, to label your lines, the air lines, your electrical lines. And then the USB, this is part of the other main harness for the air compressor, not the second compressor. So ran through here, boom boom, and then I put it right here for now. I'm not sure if I want to put it on this side or on this side. I'm not sure. And then here's the controller. Bear with me. Right there. It's nice. Alright, so here what I have so far. Drill the holes for the airlines. Installed the tank. I put a some spacers. Put some spacers in there. That way, that valve in the middle, because that valve in the middle was touching the floor. So I don't want to like kind of like bend it when it's installed. It might bend. So put some spacers on all 4. There's some space right there. Airline, and then it releases pressure. And then a Schrader valve, I believe that's what it's called. Airline, connect the Schrader valve. I might do it like a zip tie right here. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. I'm not too sure. Probably zip tie. That could be right there, easy. And then 2 compressors. Drill the holes. Already installed it. Right there. give you guys an idea. And then this, I had it like this, flat on the ground, and then ran one of the lines, and one of the lines it kind of like bends a lot. So what I'm gonna do is have this like that. Good morning, good morning. Today's officially day 3. Pretty much done. Ran the airlines all the way through, front and back. Tank installed, 2 compressors installed, water trap right here, got it tied down with a zip tie. You know, convenient, you know. The valve to release pressure. Right, all I gotta do is just connect electricals. Pretty much done, to be honest. And then this, I talked to my boy. He said he's gonna give me his stand. His stand is gonna be angled down, so it's gonna be like something like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna hit him up later for that stand. Pretty much done, yeah. All I gotta do is just connect electricals from the battery and back here for the compressors. So yeah, as you can see, this one. So I ran this one through here. And then this side, ran it through here. You see the airline right there. And then both fronts, ran it all the way on the left side. Left side, zip tied up there. And then a USB. And then the controller. Controller, boom, it's right there. So I'm gonna have it mount like right about here. Yeah. So there for now. So I ran broke that piece. So I ran everything, the 2 front, the main compressor harness, the second compressor harness, all the way through. The little grommet. So I don't know if you can see, but there's the grommet, poke the hole. Hope you guys can see that. Right there, boom. Let me open the hood. Pretty much go through there. And then all the electrical, I get it connected here, and airline for that side, and this airline for that side. So yeah, so I'm gonna run it like behind those holes, you know, very convenient. So yeah, man, it's not that bad. At first it's like a lot of information, but then you get used to it. I mean, I had some help here and there, so yeah, man, pretty much it. Yeah, it's all tucked in there, all nice and tucked. Boom. Ran back here behind the seatbelt bolt. Behind the seatbelt, boom. Right here, and then yeah. So I have this for now, holding it up so that way I can do the electrical. So that's gonna be fun. That way you guys have an idea. how it's gonna look. Alright, so it's pretty much done. Ran all the airlines, management. I'm gonna have it like that, like I said. Angle, drill like a hole for the management connector. So it's a little, has like some a gap, you know, because of the foam and all the wires running through this side. So I mean, this is for now. This trunk setup is for now. So I am putting back the seats. So what I've done, the two grounds for the two compressors. So for example, like that. Ooh, my bad. So something like that. You see the bare metal in the back. So yeah, basically it's like the paint primer, then the metal. And I almost forgot, when you take out the OEM shocks and struts, you will have, when you take out the dampering sensor, so that won't do any effect to the car or to the airbags or nothing like that, to the dampering sensors. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, here it is finally. Man, it's been almost a week. You know, taking my time with the wiring and all that. So here's a final setup. Well, for now. Yes, sir. You know, that's for now. This is the trunk setup for now. So stay tuned for the next trunk setup. But it looks clean though. Two compressors in the back, 4-gallon tank, Airlift performance. So first I was gonna do the compressors here and here, but then, you know, changed my mind at the last minute. Yeah, so I had to take out seats, plastic trims and all that. Yeah, it looks good, man. Look at that. Ran it all the way through here. It's all tucked in there. Other controller. I'll put that up here. Mine up there, so it will look cleaner. So yeah, I'm gonna air it out, and here's the fun part. I can do it on my phone. You guys ready? Damn. Look at that. Clean. Perfect. Barely touching the fender liner. The rear's just perfect, man. So yeah, I could put in, you know, right low. Okay, so there's something wrong with the front, but I might have to mess with that. Need an alignment though, so Let's see. This is so dope. Give you guys a rear shot. Ready? Oh my goodness. Oh man. This thing looks sick, yo. This thing looks dope. All aired out. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get alignment and all that. The sway bar link is touching. Looks good, man. Looks dope, y'all. Look at that. Air it out. It's nice. But yeah, man, huge shout out. Huge shout out. Dang, I can't even talk. Huge shout out to my friends, man. Pulled up my cribs, my friend's crib, and it started raining, but then we ended up on my other's friend's shop, and we all went, you know, went there and did all the work. Yeah, I ran all the wires, basically the electrical. I ran it. They gave me some advice, helped me out here and there with the electrical. And yeah, and then the other half we all went in the shop and installed the airbags. Here's the final results. This thing is clean, and I washed it today too. Like I said, I need an alignment, so tucked. Nice. Yeah, man, most importantly, thank you. All thanks to God for letting this moment happen. For letting this moment to happen. You know, it's a true blessing. You know, I'm humble, blessed. Man, this is crazy. So yeah, man, I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I apologize if I wasn't too specific with the information, with like the grounding, electrical, this and that, the installation of like step by step. I apologize for that, but you know, give you guys an idea of what it looks like to, you know, to be on bags. This is crazy, man. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace out.